Hey, how y'all doing? I'm Coach Holloway. I teach sixth grade pre-athletics, sixth grade PE, and partners PE. Um, I just want to say, welcome to the new school year. I know it's going to be weird, but we'll get through it. You'll have everything ready and how we need to do it. A couple things about my class and me. This is my third year here at South. My class is pretty easy, pretty laid back. Grades are easy. If you participate, it's pretty much the main one. It's the major grades, just participation. Um, I know that, sometimes there's activities you might not want to do, but we'll have stuff that you want to do, in the school year. So just participation and be respectful. We need just to be respectful towards teachers and other students. We need to make sure this year to bring your own water bottle because we don't want the students, in and out of the hallway on the water bottle, drinking out of the water fountain to try to stop the spread. So please bring your water bottle and also wear the appropriate clothing. Sometimes we'll be out running or doing activities of running and you might need the right shoes or the right clothes. That's pretty much it. I'm looking forward to this year. Looking forward to having your students, in my classroom. We're going to be safe this year, but we're also going to have fun because, the students deserve that. And I'm looking forward to this year. See you then.